Today, we'll illustrate how to see what's on my iCloud from different platforms, along with the methods to manage the storage intelligently. Part 1. See what's on my iCloud from iOS device directly. An iOS device offers an easy option to access your iCloud backups, including photos, videos, notes, iTunes Music, iCloud Drive, WhatsApp Messenger, and more. Part 2. See what is on my iCloud from Mac directly. Aside from the iOS device, you can now check the storage from your Mac if you synced your iPhone to it last time. In doing so, you'll access such files as photos, videos, documents, backups, mail, messages, books, etc. Part 3. See what is on my iCloud storage from PC directly. If you synced files stored on iCloud with your Windows PC, you could view your iCloud storage, including mail, contacts, calendars, tasks, bookmarks, photos, etc. Part 4. See what is stored on my iCloud using Files app on iPhone. The Files app on your iPhone is widely applicable for cloud services, like iCloud, Dropbox, or Google Drive. It's quite easy to see files on iCloud Drive. Further, you can utilize it to check documents saved locally on your iDevice. Part 5. How to check iCloud storage using Finder on Mac. Finder facilitates you to find and manage stuff on your Mac or iCloud Drive storage. Further, you can combine the two by turning on the Desktop and Documents folders option to sync the folders from your Mac to iCloud. Part 6. See what's on my iCloud via Doctor for iOS. Mobic and Doctor for iOS have the capability to present all your backups in iCloud without even linking your device to a computer. Then, it gives you the freedom to selectively recover any piece of data on your computer. Get this program downloaded and install it on a computer. Then start it and opt for Recover from iCloud before offering your Apple ID and password. Select all the file types you want and tap on Next. Subsequently, this utility will let you view all your synced items on the program window. Hit the data categories from the left sidebar and preview the details on the right. Finally, you can choose to pick your desired iCloud backup files and click Recover to Computer to save them locally. How to manage iCloud Drive storage. As is known to many Apple users, we can easily access the storage management screen by going to an iPhone Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, Manage Account Storage, Manage Account, Manage,